We are inside the Embassy Suites.
Partially out of skills. Going down.
I actually could have made these glass, and I'll show you why. Oh, this has the rare bold font Otis logo. You don't see that logo much. That's a rare one.
Wow.
I know, crazy.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. That's a fantastic.
You're pretty tall for Series 5.
Are you talking to the elevator?
I'm talking to the video.
You said you're pretty tall.
I said this elevator. I said
No.
it's pretty tall for Series 5. First floor.
Going up.
Going
Wait,
up.
what's 4L versus 4?
No, 4 is just, it says L because 4 is the lobby.
Oh, wait, the ballroom's on 3. Hold on, I am so confused. They have a ballroom.
Yeah.
That's insane.
Ball is life.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. It's
It literally
it's
is.
Like from Beauty and the Beast. Crystal
Nope.
Ballroom, bro. It's a ballroom.
Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Little pond. And as you can see, there is no excuse for these elevators to not be glass. Because look, they totally could have been. I wish they were. But can't have it all. That's it.